Let's jump in!
Today, Peppa and her family are going on the night train to a very faraway seaside.
It's bedtime now. We can play with the beach ball tomorrow at the beach.
But I don't want to go to sleep.
Well, we're not going to sleep yet. We're having a sleepover.
Yay!
Peppa and George love sleepovers.
Can we have a midnight feast? You need to have a midnight feast at a sleepover, Daddy. It's the rule.
Right you are. Follow me.
Hooray!
Everyone has come to the dining carriage to get the midnight feast.
Oh,
Hello. What would you like?
we'd like a midnight feast, please.
One. Midnight feast coming up. Here you go. Fruit and warm milk. Perfect before a good sleep.
Thank you.
Everyone tucks into their midnight feast, gives their teeth a good brush, and gets comfy in bed.
Can we have a bedtime story?
Okay, Peppa. Just one story, and then sleep. This is the story of the magic night train.
Ooh.
Once upon a time, there was a magic night train which didn't need train tracks because it could fly.
Yay! Woohoo! Whee! Ooh! Yippee! Chicka, chicka, chicka. Wow! It's morning, and we're not in space anymore.
Space? What do you mean?
I think we fell asleep, George.
Peppa had a wonderful dream about a magical night train.
Look, we've arrived at the seaside.
Peppa and her family have arrived at the very faraway seaside, and they all enjoyed their train sleepover.